The psychological aspects of the law of attraction explore how thoughts and beliefs shape an individual's experiences and outcomes. At its core, the law of attraction is built on the idea that positive or negative thoughts bring corresponding positive or negative experiences into a person's life. Belief systems, positive beliefs shape actions that promote success, while negative beliefs can create barriers. Your mindset directly impacts the outcomes you attract. Self-fulfilling prophecies. When you believe in an outcome, you unconsciously align your actions with that belief, increasing the chances of it becoming reality. Visualization. Mentally rehearsing goals can enhance real-world performance by influencing behavior. Focus and attention. By focusing on positive outcomes, you tend to notice and act on opportunities that lead to success, aligning with the idea that what you focus on expands. Emotional regulation. Positive thinking promotes better emotional health and resilience.